Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new feature in Canva, how to print any project directly from a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, before, if you would like to print out any of our project from Canva, we need to download it to our PC or tablet or phone, whatever, and we can print out that picture, PNG, PDF directly from the laptop or PC. But from now, we do not even need to download anything. We can print out a document directly from the Canva without downloading it, which is just a small step, a small feature, but whatever, our laptops always full with unnecessary documents, and this is also just have to save lots of space because most of the people just forgot to delete after printing out any image or document, even if they don't need it. Same as also me, if I just downloading it, printing out, then forgot to delete, and yeah, those garbage just using lots of space in our PCs. So how can we sorry, how could we printing out directly from the Canva? Sorry, my mind is overthinking, and I'm already thinking about the next 5 steps. So go into the share, and here see all, and scrolling down to the very bottom, use my printer. And as you can see, the Canva now is preparing, and we have the normal print menu. Of course, now I do not have any printer connected, so save as PDF. Or we can go to the file, and here we have the print. But here in the print, as you can see, we have the use my printer, or also already have this Control P or Command P function, or print with Canva, which is a different feature if you really need something nice. As you can see, we can download it, we can print out almost everything, even like hoodies and mugs and everything the Canva can make for you, and they will send it to you. But if I going back to here, print, use my printer, I will have the same option when I had in a share options, a share function, and just check the Control P. Actually the same option like in the files. I can choose use my printer or print with Canva. So if I just click on this continue, the system preparing again the file, and I can select the printer. So this is a really small but really useful feature in the Canva. I have to say this. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And also if you're struggling anything in the Canva or just have any question about Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts listed in a Facebook page. And of course in the Instagram and TikTok pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching See you in the next one. Ciao.